Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review today analyzing Voiser, a tool that claims to convert text to audio files and accurately transcribe audio with the power of AI. So it's a text to audio file, it will convert your text to speech and also will convert your speech to text, creating transcription. The voice are really good, they have HD voice, and I think you're gonna like that too. One will get the enterprise plan, and the difference here will be the number of characters of text to speech per month and the number of speech to text hours per month. So buy more codes, you get more features. Remembering that if you want the API access, you need to buy the license tier 4. So let's take a look at Voiser. It's pretty simple and start here on the dashboard. You will select text to speech or speech to text. For the sake of that review, let's start with text to speech. So here I am on the studio, and then I can just copy and paste the text that I want. And then you can select the language here. They have many languages, as you can see here: Chinese, French, Portuguese, Spanish, English. And then you will be able to select different kind of voice. Here are the English one. I'm gonna select Ashley here. You can select the speech and also the pitch. And when you're ready to go, you can create dialogues as well. You just click on voice selected lines. Here you can see the result.
Video is a great way to grow your business, but you can't compete against bigger brands without engaging voiceovers. Their guy sounds like Morgan Freeman, my guy sounds like Urkel. Hiring someone to do the work for you costs a pretty penny, and most text-to-speech tools sound unnatural and robotic. If only there was a tool that could produce accurate transcriptions and realistic voiceovers in a range of languages. Say hello to Voiser.
So they do everything automatically, and then just click here to download it, right? The other feature on Voicer beyond the text to speech is the transcription. So here you're gonna convert the audio to text. Just upload your audio. You can add profanity filter on and off, punctuation auto on and off, and click on convert audio to text. They have many different languages as well, as you can see here. The tool then will start the transcription, and you see here that they are processing the transcription. So the tool transcribed my audio, and here is the transcription. You can download as a text file, Word file, Excel file, or subtitle file. Overall, I think it's transcribed well, the text. It's exactly how I spoke. So that's Voiser. I hope you like that review. I have added the Voiser link in the description, then you can check out more details about that too. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.